Hello viewers, I'm your instructor Amna. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Well, my today's topic of discussion is about communication skill. I will tell you about briefly what is communication skill and the bit importance of communication skill in our lives. The communication skill is actually the process of transferring your thought from one mind to an other mind. Or you can say the communication skill is the process by which messages evoke response. Communication always takes place when the message is received by the other person. If it is not received, then there will be no response and therefore no communication has taken place. And communication takes place when the message evokes a response, apparently or apparently not. The fact that we did not receive a reply to a letter does not mean that there was no response. If the letter was actually received by the other person, it must have added to his information and evoked a response, though it was not apparent to us. Or you can simply say communication skill is actually the process between the sender and the receiver. Or you can say it is the process of encoding and decoding. Communication skill in actually the sender send the message and the receiver receive the message. When the sender send the message, the receiver receive the message, it doesn't mean like that communication process take place. When the sender encode the message, the receiver decode the message, and again the receiver give feedback to the message of the sender, then communication take place. So the proper thing is feedback, response. In communication skill, response is very much important. So you can say communication skill is the process of transferring your thought from one mind to another mind. It always held between two persons, one is sender and one is receiver. Communication skill is very much important that no business or organization can function without it. The member of an organization have to communicate with each other by exchanging information, making decisions, talking about new ideas, plans, proposals, etc. etc. They have also to communicate externally with other organizations. If the communication is effective, it can have far-reaching effects on the success of any organization. So in short, communication within or outside an organization is so important that it is perhaps impossible to carry out the daily routine work without it. So you can say it is like the lifeblood without which an organization cannot even survive. But effective message can be very helpful. They can greatly enhance a company's goodwill, productivity, profits, and public credibility. According to a recent survey, they have said like business communication was the most important subject to be studied by college students wishing for a career in business and industry. Thank you so much. At the end, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.